quote-unquote nice thing.
County, is it not 30 for the 30 miles? That's correct. G32-1. First party caller, 2806 Offer Street. We're originally seeing an air fryer on fire. Another caller stating the kitchen is on fire. Alright, have it here. 32 is a wagon for the hydrant's going to be at 2814. We're going to stop right before the address. We're going to get a jacket to the hydrant. Pick it up. Tower 1 coming in. Okay, we're turning on 28 now. Looks like the hydrant basically at 28 and Hopper. Yeah, we missed the block. Wagon 4's on the scene. We're gonna turn around and lay in. Wagon 4, I copy. You're turning around and lay in. We'll take your plug up. I got fire, so trying alpha. Come around, just go left, come around to pick up our boat.
Let's go, John.
Copy, first floor.
Look out, Johnny boy.
Captain 30's out.
Yeah, I got it, bro.
Captain 30's out, switching to 3.
Johnny boy, you got a camera? Yeah. Can you check the temp on the cabinetry? What's the temp
Box
on
301,
the
2806 Offer Street, residential structure fire.
Command from interior. Command from interior.
Go ahead for command.
Command from Tower 1. Fire's not down. We're going to open up, check for extension, slow everyone down. Yep. Alright, go ahead.
Repeat your message. County, Captain 30's arriving. Command.
Hey, get that stretched out. We're going to open it up, alright? Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, 32 center.
Did you get a report? Yeah.
This is 301 box, command holding 32 city units, 33, or 35.